Lily was a young artist with big dreams. She lived in a small village where the skies were always a shade of grey and the streets were lined with dull, colourless houses. But Lily had a gift. She could see beauty in everything. With her tiny set of paints and a handful of old brushes, she spent her days creating vibrant landscapes and magical creatures, though her paintings never quite captured the life she imagined. One rainy afternoon, as she wandered through the village market, she stumbled upon a tiny, dusty shop she had never seen before. The wooden sign above the door read, "Mystic Treasures." Curiosity sparked in her heart, and she stepped inside. The shop was dimly lit, filled with peculiar objects, glowing stones, ancient books, and odd trinkets. An elderly woman with twinkling eyes sat behind the counter. "Looking for something special, dear?" she asked. Lily hesitated. "I just love to paint. I wish my paintings could feel alive." The old woman smiled knowingly and reached beneath the counter. She pulled out a slender paintbrush with a golden handle, its bristles shimmering as if dipped in stardust. "This is no ordinary brush," she said. "It holds magic within. Whatever you paint with it will come to life." Lily gasped. "Really?" The woman nodded. "But remember, magic is powerful. Use it wisely." Lily eagerly took the brush home. That night, she dipped it in her paints and began to work. She painted a butterfly with brilliant blue wings, and as soon as the final stroke was complete, the butterfly fluttered off the canvas, circling her head before flying out the window. Overjoyed, she painted flowers that bloomed instantly, birds that chirped sweet melodies, and even a small pond that shimmered as if filled with real water. The once dull village soon became a place of wonder, as creatures and landscapes from Lily's imagination filled the streets. But Lily's excitement turned to worry when the village mayor caught wind of her talents. Greedy for power, he demanded that Lily use her brush to paint him a mountain of gold. Fearful of what he might do, she refused. Enraged, the mayor ordered his guards to seize the brush. Desperate, Lily fled to the old shop for help, but the shop had vanished without a trace. She had no choice but to trust herself. That night, under the moon's glow, she painted a secret pathway leading deep into an enchanted forest. With her brush, she crafted a hidden sanctuary filled with magical creatures, where beauty and wonder could flourish without greed. As the mayor and his men stormed her home, they found only a blank canvas where Lily once stood. She had disappeared into her painted world, free to create without fear. From that day on, legends spread of a mystical artist who painted a paradise unseen by ordinary eyes, a world where magic and art lived forever. And sometimes, on quiet nights, villagers swore they could hear the soft strokes of a brush painting wonders beyond imagination.